Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. When I say maybe later, you could do it maybe later, right? Okay, there we go. So we're gonna click on settings. Here we're gonna scroll all the way down to system, and then reset options. From here, select the last option, erase all data, factory reset, and this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes, importantly, things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, I have nothing on this device that I would want to back up, or just generally there's nothing on this phone. So I'm going to select erase all data. And before you can click on erase all data the second time, chances are you have a lock screen visible right now, your pattern, PIN, password, if you have one set on your device, which you probably do. You need to confirm it to get to the second page where you get to select erase all data a second time, which will now begin factory resetting your phone. Now this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.